In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in cars.com account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cars.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of cars.com. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on the account option that you can see at top. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find two options over here: sign in, create an account. Click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. You can either sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple or email. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So click on the field of email and enter the email address associated with your account. Now click on this option, continue. Now after you do that, enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, enter your password over here. Now click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in cars.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.